In today's video, I'm going to teach you cartoon animation videos tutorial in Canva. We'll start from a blank canvas, build a fun cartoon scene, bring characters to life with motion paths, add sound, and export a polished MP4 you can share anywhere. Open Canva and search for cartoon video, or click the video icon to start a blank project. This gives you the right canvas size for standard video and a clean slate to design on. Once your page is open, let's set the stage. Head to the Elements tab and search for terms like cartoon street, city background, or landscape. Pick a backdrop that matches your story and stretch it to cover the entire page so there are no gaps at the edges. A full bleed background instantly makes your scene feel intentional and polished. Now, build your layout with characters and props. Still in Elements, bring in characters along with graphics like cars, clouds, and trees. Think about depth as you place them. Foreground items should be larger and lower on the canvas, while distant objects sit higher and smaller. Use layers to arrange what appears in front or behind. This is how you tuck a character behind a tree or place a car in front of a building. Small adjustments here help your scene read clearly. If you want built-in movement, search the Elements tab for walking, cartoon, or animated graphics. These ready-to-use animated elements can save time and add instant energy. Mix static and animated pieces to keep the frame lively without overwhelming it. To animate custom movement, select the element you want to move and click Animate on the top toolbar. Choose Create an Animation, the B icon, and then click and drag the object across the screen to record its path. Trace the route you want it to follow, like a character strolling down the sidewalk or a car crossing the frame. Keep motion smooth and purposeful. Gentle curves usually feel more natural than sharp zigzags. Refine the motion by choosing a style such as steady for constant speed or smooth for natural acceleration and deceleration. Use the speed slider to match the action to your scene's timing. If something feels too fast or slow, small tweaks here make a big difference. For sound, upload your own voiceover or browse the Canva audio library for background music and sound effects. Pick audio that supports the mood without distracting from the visuals. Before exporting, click play to review your animation from start to finish. When you are happy, click Share, then Download, and select MP4 video as the file type. That's your final, share-ready video. Thanks for watching.